Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Robinhood password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first thing you will need just to have your Robinhood application. And then you will need just to get into your app. After that, we will be needing to go to our settings and simply here we will find uh, this menu at the bottom here, and basically we will have the investing panel, crypto, and retirement panel, and some other spending accounts, etc. So basically after that, you will be needing to go to your account, and it is this icon here in the menu, and basically you will find all these options, and those are just some summary of your portfolio. And basically to change the password, we will be needing to go to this menu. By clicking on these three bar icons, you will need just to go to the menu, and of course to change anything about security, which includes passwords, we will be needing to go to security and privacy. By clicking on security and privacy, we will find here the password, device security, and the 2FA. And basically, we want to change the password. So basically, we need just to click on update password or the password option. So from here, you will add your current password. Then you will need just to add your new password and make sure here to confirm the new password by having it like the same one. And basically after that, all you will need to do just to click submit. And in case you have already forgotten your current password, you can just click on forgot password, and then they will give you some other options to change the password. Basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.